Come test drive the 2016 Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is Hyundai's first CUV to be designed in Europe. Tucson takes the boxy utility vehicle and transforms it. With flowing curves, graceful lines, and style to spare, it's the future of the crossover and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: dual airbags, air conditioning, alloy wheels, four-wheel disc brakes, fog lamps, CD player, electronic stability control, carpeted floor mats, cargo cover, brake assist. Drive away with a great deal on this vehicle. Call or stop in today.